Welcome to Anitech's noise monitoring process. Here's exactly what happens when we come to your site. Step 1. Site assessment. Our occupational hygienist arrives at your workplace and conducts a full walkthrough to identify all potential noise hazards. We assess machinery, equipment, and work areas to understand where the risks are. Step 2. Noise measurement. Using calibrated sound level meters, we measure noise levels across your site. We record peak levels, average exposure, and identify areas that exceed the 80 decibel action level. Step 3. Personal dosimetry. For workers in high-risk areas, we attach personal noise dosimeters that monitor their individual exposure levels throughout an entire shift, giving us accurate, real-world data. Step 4. Data analysis and reporting. Back in our lab, we analyze the data and prepare a detailed report outlining noise exposure levels, areas of concern, and recommended controls, all aligned with Australian WHS regulations. Step 5. Recommendations and controls. We provide practical recommendations, from engineering controls like acoustic barriers, to administrative controls and appropriate hearing protection for each task. The entire process is designed to keep your workers safe and keep your business compliant. Contact Anitech today to book your noise monitoring assessment at anitechgroup.com.